Hi there, this is Penelope. This is a video with a bit more help on assignment 4 question 2 for MG5004 or DE5418, however you're doing it. So let's have a look at the question. There's the Q function, there's the V function, and you're also told that P is equal to V of t times I of t, and you're told that I of t is the derivative of Q. So the first part of the question, you need to find I. So that's the derivative of Q. So that's going to be 1 over 50, times, then this is a chain rule question, 250 pi. Well, actually, it's not really a chain rule question. It's just a derivative of a signed function, but that does come from a chain rule way back. Right, so you needed to differentiate that, and then you can simplify that. A 50th times 250 is just 5. Don't forget the pi. Right, now for part B, you need to multiply V and I functions together. Okay, so the V function was 100 sine 250 pi t, and the I function, which you've just found, is 5 pi cos 250 pi t. Now the first little bit of simplification is to multiply the 5 times the 100, the 5 pi times 100. And at that stage, you might think there is nothing more to do, but there is. So what we can do is we can look at this bit. I'll use at this bit and say, well, we could write that. We could use the rule sine 2 theta equals 2 sine theta cos theta. Well, we've got sine something, cos something, so we could rearrange that to say that a half sine 2 theta equals sine theta cos theta, and in our case theta is equal to 250 pi t. So using that rule then, a half sine 2 theta equals sine theta cos theta. So we're now going to have the 500 pi's there, and instead of here as sine theta cos theta, we're going to call that a half times sine 2 theta, which happens to be 250 pi t. Then a half times 500 is 250 pi sine 500 pi t. Okay, you then asked about the maximum for part C. The maximum of a sine curve is just the amplitude. So that's then the maximum. Hope that helps. Let me know if it doesn't, or if you need more help.